We have a fun one for you today. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the Omni Trail X32. This is a Super C, 33 feet in length, built on the Ford F550 chassis, 10,000 pound hitch. Oh, so sweet. And guess what? You can bring everybody along depending on how you have this outfitted. Right now, we're gonna have sleeping for 1, 2, 3, 4, and seatbelts for 5 in this configuration because we have the awesome, oh so good, heated massaging theater seats. Now, if you need more seatbelts and more sleeping, you can get a sofa here instead, but I love the way these work. After a long day, you can just put your feet up, turn on the massage, turn on the heat. You can't argue with the body because that's an argument you just can't win. Cup holders here, storage right there. Love these seats. How about we start up here, work our way back, and then we will walk around outside. So this is going to be our over-the-cab bunk. 800 pound capacity in here. Cup holders, you have this powered sky shade, push button lights, a little accent light up top if you want to get real fancy. Now there is a privacy curtain that just pops right in place here, so at night you can block out all of the light and whatnot from the dash. We'll talk about the dash in just a minute here, but the overcab bunk, great for sleeping. And again, it's so huge up here. If you would like, and a lot of people do that we talk to say, hey, we use this for storage because it is just absolutely massive. Great way to use your overcab bunk, right? Make use of the space you have. Up front, love the way Ford has this set up. Everything you need at your fingertips. Buttons on the steering wheel for cruise control. Go through your menus. You have a trailer brake controller as well. This is a 4x4. You have different drive modes on here. You have 4 high, you have 4 low, eco, mud and ruts. Whatever you need, you can go ahead and set that up, make it work for you depending on the terrain you are in. Remember, this is not a dedicated off-road vehicle, but when you get into some dicey situations, it's nice to know you have 4-wheel drive. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have an inverted switch. You have accessory plugs right up here. Safety features, heated remote mirrors. That camera, the rear view camera, is always on. You have side view cameras as well when you turn on your directional. It's a great driving machine. It's peppy. For a motorhome of this size, it's pretty peppy. Let's not be peppy. Whew, kick back and relax, right? That's what you do. That's what you're supposed to do on vacation. If you're not relaxing, you're vacationing wrong. Cup holders here for the ride, pop-up outlet, smart TV. You have child safety tether in there as well because you want to get everybody started camping when they're young. Look at all the storage in here. Cabinets everywhere. One of my favorite cabinets is actually right over here. I'm going to switch you places, Tom. Love this. Little coat closet right here. So maybe jackets if it's fall camping, or if you're going somewhere where there's a beach, maybe some towels if you're on a ski adventure. You know, hang the goggles in there and the gloves and all the stuff. Tons of storage all the way around. One-touch leveling jacks are right there. Your Rapid Camp Plus is right here. So everything that you want to control right from here, from lights to slides to power to solar. 100 watts comes standard. You can equip this with the Solar Panel Plus package, giving you 500 watts of solar charging and 2 additional house batteries. Connect to the app. Vega Touch Mirror, now you're controlling everything from your phone or the main screen. 1800 watt inverter. You also have a quiet diesel 6,000 watt generator on board, and you can dial in all of your auto gen start settings right from here. Turning over to our kitchen, microwave, 3-burner gas cooktop, and an oven. Lots of storage up above, tons of storage down below. You also have a double sink here, which is great. Look at that. What side you're gonna wash on, what side you're gonna put the dishes in. How about a pop-up outlet? 110s, USB-A, USB-C, plug in the coffee maker, the blender, whatever it is you need. Even charge your phones, use a mobile cookbook, all works for you. Gonna stop midship here at our bathroom. Nice and large, plenty of storage everywhere you look in here. You have tankless hot water, huge medicine cabinet, tons of storage in there. Very large shower with the skylight. You have a sliding glass door in here. I like that printed surround. Looks nice. Classes it up, right? Classes up your X32. As we move on back, can't not mention your giant residential fridge and freezer. What did you pack today? You know what? How about a bologna sandwich with thick lashings of mayo? If you grew up in the 70s like me, you know what you're doing? Fried bologna sandwich, white bread, thick lashings of mayo. That is good stuff. And if you say no, you didn't grow up like I did. And that's a shame, because I could go for a fried bologna sandwich right now. Tom, you ever eat fried bologna?
Never.
What? I'm making you a fried bologna sandwich when we get back. You can store that white bread in here and lots of extra mayo for that thick lashings of mayo. That is, never had fried bologna. Really? Wow, maybe it's just me. I don't know. I got a few years on you. If you have eaten fried bologna sandwiches, put that down in the comments, because I want to know about it. I think it's delicious. You'd like it, Tom, but Tom's also never eaten a Big Mac, so there's that too. TV with storage behind. Nice, cozy, comfortable bed. Now this is on a slide out, so you're gonna have a couple of slides here. You have one here, and then you have the other where the dinette and kitchen are. Large closet right here, backpacks, ladders for the bunk right there, whatever you need. Lots of hanging space, 2 roof ACs in here. 13,500 BTU AC units on this. And as we walk out, I want to give you a couple of features out here that you are going to enjoy. Tons of storage, right? So right here we have a nice bay, huge bay right here. So rotocast material in there. It's not gonna mold, it's not gonna mildew, it's not gonna get stinky. It is going to be ready for whatever you wanna toss in it. And because there's a drain plug, you can go ahead and just rinse that out. Right down here, batteries and breakers. If you get that Solar Panel Plus package, you're gonna get 2 additional house batteries. Smart TV out here as well, right under that power patio with an LED light, so you can set up camp however you want. Watch TV, sit under the shade, sit back and relax. Plug in whatever you want. Right out here, a couple of GFCIs. Fresh water fill is right here. Another large bay right here. Told you, tons of storage on this. Drain for your fresh water tank is there. You have some pass-through back there, fishing poles, whatever you need. Those will fit nicely in there. And here we go. Propane connection. Hook up a griddle. What are you gonna make on that griddle, Tom? What are we making?
Probably some bologna sandwiches.
That's right, fried bologna sandwiches. Now Tom is in the fried bologna business. Propane is right there. You need that on for your hot water. You need it for your heat. And you need it to make those fried bologna sandwiches. Steel bumper on your Omni Trail, 10,000 pound hitch on that as well. There's your 7-pin and your 4-pin connector. As we work our way around here, just gonna walk you through a couple of things. Have another bay here. Maybe you wanna store the 50 amp detachable shore power cord in there. Cable hookup is right here. 2 fuel fills on this. There's one here, there's one up front. Another storage bay right here. That's the pass-through that we just showed you. And then there are a couple of bays there where we have some plants and just big power. We're shooting this right now when we're out at the Florida RV Super Show. Storage bay, generator right here, 6,000 watt diesel generator. And as we work around up front, 6.7 liter power stroke. This is the Ford F550 chassis. This is the Omni Trail X32. It is a great way to travel. It's a great way to make bologna sandwiches no matter where you want to stay. And it's even more fun to eat a fried bologna sandwich when you're building your own at thormotorcoach.com.